He ran out of money, his first startup almost failed. Now he leads the most powerful AI company on earth. Here's how Sam Altman went from broke to building OpenAI. Sam learned to code on a Mac when he was 8. He was introverted, obsessed with computer and confused by the world around him. He once said being gay in the Midwest in the 90s was not awesome. He kept to himself and spent years trying to find a place he belonged. In college, he dropped out of Stanford, started a company called Loop. It raised over $30 million, but flopped. He could have faded out right there, but something else happened. Paul Graham, founder of Y Combinator, saw something in him. Even though Loop failed, Sam had found a DNA. So Graham asked him to join YC, not as the founder, as the president. Sam went on to help launch Airbnb, Stripe, and Dropbox. Didn't just help founders build businesses, he helped them think bigger. YC grew like wildfire. Then came his boldest move. He launched OpenAI with Elon Musk. But it wasn't a company, it was a non-profit. The goal? Make AI safe for humanity. For years, people ignored them. Google and Facebook had better time, more funding and more talent. But Sam kept building. In year 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT. Everything changed overnight. 100 million users in just 2 months. The fastest growing product in history. The entire tech world pivoted. VC startups, big tech was scrambling to catch up. Suddenly, the kid who once felt like an outsider was shaping the future of humanity. But the pressure was massive. OpenAI faced lawsuits, government hearing, even a boardroom coup where Sam got fired. But just 5 days later, he was back. Microsoft employees and the public backed him so hard. The board had no choice but to reverse their decision. Sam didn't quit, didn't play safe, didn't take the usual path. He just kept building. And now OpenAI is worth over $300 billion and still climbing. If there's one thing to learn from Sam Altman, it's that you don't need to be the loudest in the room, just the most focused. Your mind is your most powerful asset. It will either make you or break you. If you want to hear more success stories like this, then subscribe to More Valuables for more valuable content. And thank you for watching this video till the end.